Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError unsupported operand types for /NoneType and Float. This error occurs when you try to perform a mathematical operation that involves a division operator / between a NoneType and a float. In Python, none is a special value that represents the absence of a value or a null value. It is often used to indicate that a variable does not have a value yet, or that a function did not return anything. To resolve this error, you need to ensure that the operands being used for the division operator are of compatible data types. In this case, you may want to check if a variable or a function is returning none instead of a float value where you are expecting it. Here's an example of how you can encounter this error. When you run this code, you will get this kind of error. To fix this, you should ensure that the value of x is not none before attempting to divide it by y. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. Alternatively, you could modify your code to handle the none value in a different way, depending on your use case.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.